Welcome to the Moss Amigo YouTube channel, where you can learn all about the amazing world of plants. Get ready to learn all about the incredible sunflower and the many ways they enrich our lives. First, here is a riddle. Why are sunflowers so kind? Because they have a lot of sun-pathy. Learning about sunflowers can help you become a more informed person. Let's further our understanding of how these plants play a role in human society. Starting with art. Which famous artist is known for painting sunflowers? Vincent van Gogh. His painting Sunflowers is one of the most well-known works of art featuring sunflowers. The sunflower is one of the most recognizable wildflowers, and it has a long history as an agricultural crop. Sunflowers have also become a popular symbol of happiness and loyalty in pop culture, often appearing in art, literature, and media. Did you know that the song Sunflower by Malone and Swae set records by being streamed over 2.5 billion times on Spotify? Wow! Did you know the seeds can be used to produce food products like flour and bread? In the video game of the year of 2017, The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Link uses sunflowers as a way to restore his health. Must have been inspired by real-world applications. The sunflower is the only flower with the word flower in its name and is the official flower of Kansas. Now that we've learned a little bit about sunflowers, let's delve into the rich history of these beloved blooms. The sunflower has been around since the time of the Aztecs, who called it Celi, which means face. According to worldhistory.org, they believe the flower's face resembled their sun god. Scientifically, these flowers belong to the family Asteraceae and genus Helianthus, and has been cultivated around the world since its introduction to Europe in the 16th century. The sunflower is also a symbol of love and loyalty due to its long-lasting blooms that turn towards the sun. Now that we've learned about the rich history of sunflowers, let's turn our attention to the specific growing conditions that these cheerful plants thrive in. Sunflowers can be grown in many different climates. They are a great option for people who don't have much space to grow flowers. Sunflower seeds can be planted directly into the soil, or they can be planted indoors, in pots or trellises, and then transplanted outside when they are large enough to survive on their own. In order to grow sunflowers, you will need a sunny location with well-drained soil that has been fertilized with manure or compost before planting. Sunflowers should be watered regularly and fertilized occasionally. Now that we've explored the optimal conditions for growing sunflowers, let's take a look at when these majestic flowers are best to grow and most likely to bloom throughout the year. Sunflowers are a beautiful addition to any garden. They can bring a cheerful, vibrant atmosphere and attract birds and other pollinators. But when is the best time to grow sunflowers? The answer depends on where you live and what type of sunflower you're growing. Generally speaking, it's best to plant sunflower seeds in late spring or early summer, when the soil has warmed up and all danger of frost has passed. This will give your plants plenty of time to grow before the cooler temperatures arrive in autumn. Each seed head, on average, can contain anywhere from 20 to 40 seeds. A single sunflower can even have up to 2,000 seeds. Whoa, that's a lot. With proper care, you can have an amazing sunflower garden in no time and enjoy beautiful blooms throughout the summer months. You now know when to best plant a sunflower. However, did you know that these versatile flowers can actually come in a variety of colors? Let's delve into the different shades of sunflowers that are available to us. Sunflowers are one of the most iconic flowers in the world. The flower typically has a large yellow head with yellow petals and black seeds in its center, although there are some varieties with different colors such as orange or red. Sunflowers actually come in a variety of colors, ranging from bright and pale yellows to deep reds and purples. They can also be found in shades of orange, white, and even black. Despite the variety, they are best known for their bright yellow petals, vibrant colors, and large size, making them a favorite for gardeners and flower lovers alike. Their flowers can open up to 8 inches wide. The spiral formation of seeds in a sunflower almost always follows the Fibonacci sequence. They are known for their ability to follow the sun throughout the day, turning their blossoms towards its light. This behavior is called heliotropism. Each sunflower color has its own unique characteristics and symbolism, making them a popular choice for bouquets and gardens. We've learned that sunflowers come in a rainbow of colors. But did you know that these versatile flowers have a variety of uses beyond just looking pretty in a garden? Let's explore the many ways that sunflowers can be put to work. According to UIC Heritage Garden, sunflowers were originally cultivated by Native Americans for their oil and traditional medicines. They are a beautiful, vibrant flower that has many uses, ranging from being used as a source of food to providing beauty and decoration. They've been cultivated for centuries to produce a variety of oils, including cooking oil, soaps, and perfumes. For vegans, sunflower seeds are a great source of protein. Sunflower petals can be dried and used to make tea, while the leaves can be boiled and eaten like spinach. Sunflower petals can also be dried and used as a natural dye for clothing or other materials. Their leaves and seeds, which are high in fiber, can be used to treat skin ailments and digestive issues. Additionally, they make great decorative pieces, with their bright yellow color adding vibrancy to any room or garden. With so many uses, sunflowers are an incredibly versatile plant that can bring joy to any home or garden. It's no wonder why the sunflower is one of the most popular flowers in the world. We've seen that sunflowers have a multitude of uses beyond just being a decorative flower. But now it's time to close out and recap what we've learned about these amazing plants. Sunflowers have been a source of inspiration for centuries. Known for their bright yellow petals and tall, stately stems, they have long been used to brighten up gardens and living spaces. Let's recap. First, sunflowers have a long history as a symbol of hope, happiness, and positivity. Next, late spring and early summer tend to be the best times to plant sunflowers. And lastly, with so many different varieties and flower colors, it's hard to choose which to grow. Maybe just grow them all. We hope you will consider growing this upcoming season. What are your thoughts about sunflowers and what you just learned? Please tell us in a comment below and share. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more plant content.